Shop at Fairway or any store near you. These are the ingredients to make monkey bread.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said,
First, wash your hands. Ah! Before you start, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Start. Okay, next you have to open these biscuit tube things that pop open and scare me. Can we do this? Shut it! Good, stop it. Stop it. After you open 4 of these, you take each biscuit and cut it into 4s. Then you put 1 1/3 cups of sugar and 2 teaspoons. Shut up, Bentley. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and then pour it in a bowl. Before you put the dough balls into the bun pan, you need to lube it up. While you're lubing up the pan, make sure you get all the sides and the inside. Why is there a ponytail around it? Now, my favorite part, you're going to take the little balls of dough, and about 5 or 6 at a time, you're going to put in the sugar. And you just mix it up with your hands. And just keep doing that for about a minute or 2. And then it should come out looking like this color. Once they're golden brown, you're going to take them and just throw them into the blunt pan.
Bunt.
The bunt pan evenly. Make sure before you put each piece into the pan, you take off the extra sugar. Next, you're going to take a small to medium-sized pot, put it on the stove, and put the stove on medium. Next, you need 1 stick of butter. It can be margarine or regular butter. And put it in the pan. And 3/4 cups of brown sugar mixed with the butter. Show it. Now you're going to mix them together until it's all smooth and melted. Once it's all liquid, you're going to pour it into the pan over the things evenly. Stop it. Finally, we get to put it in the oven. Make sure your dog's not around. I can't find my oven mitts, so I'm going to use these things. You're going to slide it in. That's hot. You're going to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown.
25 minutes later.
Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm just going to test to see if it's ready or not. Nope. Put it back in for about 5 more minutes. Check on it again. Once it's out of the oven, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to cool off. This is the tricky part, getting it out of the pan. Take a plate, put it over. Pick up the pan, and voila. Now show it. This is Bentley, and he loves monkey bread.